Hey everybody, what's going on? Brent here. Good to see you as always, and it is drag day. We are out testing tune event at Galat Motorsports Park tonight, and we brought the Plaid out. We made some changes, so some modifications. We're going to try and break into the fives. If you want to try and guess what you think those changes were, just drop a comment down below in the comments section. We'll see who figures it out. But yeah, I think we might be able to break into the fives tonight. If the track's good, if the prep's good, if the launch is good. We're going to try and start running right at 5 o'clock when they open up the track, so hopefully our first pass is going to be a good one. Now, there's not many people here yet, but it's still early, so I have seen a Corvette rolling around, newer body style, on some slicks, so maybe I'll try and find him and set up a race, but you never know. You never know who's going to show up later tonight. The track's open from 5 till 10, so we got plenty of time, but yeah, we'll see what we can do. Enjoy! All right, everybody, so we're pulling up. We're going to see if we can get our first run of the night. We go through our checks here. Plaid, drag strip mode, peak performance is ready. Steering's in sport. Suspension, we got it dropped down into low. And then autopilot, we'll double check. Obstacle aware acceleration's off. Automatic emergency braking, all that crap is turned off. So we should get a nice good run. We're sitting at about 92% state of charge. So we'll see. We'll see if the mods, kind of what we've done, see if that's going to help us. But hopefully we get a nice good run. Yeah! Woo! Oh man! Yes! We did it! All right, everybody. Hey, what's up? You saw it, 598. We did it. We broke out of the sixes. That was amazing. So, yeah, let's take a look at the slip here. 598. Total time at 120.42. 60-foot time was a 148. So that was awesome. What a great run. So I'm going to check a few things and maybe, well, I'm going to check a few things, see if I can't find someone to run, and we're going to go see if we can't beat this 598. All right, so here we go, round two, race number 2. Was able to catch this this really pretty red Corvette sitting on some bead locks, some nice slicks. We'll see. He's got no time on there, so I don't know. We'll see how quick he is. As fast as we're running tonight, if we can hook like that last time, I don't know. Might be a good race. We didn't get the launch ready, but that's okay. I just wanted to see what the run was. Man, I wish I could have got all the way ready, but that's why we're not running the launch control. That's why we're not running launch mode. So we'll still see what the time is. All right, so that race kind of didn't pan out the way I hoped it would. My wife called right as I was getting lined up, so it kind of distracted me a little bit, but ended up running a 5.99 at 119.7. 60 foot was a 148, so we're still hooking even though I'm having to go through the water box, so maybe we can keep that up tonight. But I'm lined up again. We'll see who lines up next to us. Hopefully get another good pass and see if we can do faster than 5.98. All right, lined up again. So let's take a look here. I got lined up next to this this guy in yellow, whatever that thing is. We'll see. I wonder how fast it's going to be. Wonder how quick it's going to be. We'll see. We'll see how the run pans out. Hopefully, well, I mean, if I don't get all the way staged, then I'm just going to let it go, and we're going to run heads up. Well, I guess we're not racing him. We'll still wait for launch. All right, 6003, so we did slow down just a little bit, looks like, with a little bit lower state of charge. Let's take a look. We're at about 36, 35 PSI, so I guess it's just, yeah, I guess it's true. As the state of charge starts going down, you start slowing down. So let's go get the time slip. All right, so we finally found a race. We got a GTR. Should be a good race. We'll see what happens. We'll see how he performs, see how we perform. Hopefully we don't slip, but should be good. Well, there's that. Yeah, we finally found a race, got set up, we're in line, and it starts raining. So I guess that's how it goes. We're going to head back home, and I guess we'll come out and try it again next weekend. We're going to be heading out to a streetcar challenge, streetcar shootout. So we'll get some good footage there. Hopefully we can maybe win. I don't know. We'll see. But as always, good seeing you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.